Dipali's, for that authentic Indian vegetarian cuisine. Our expert chefs specialize in creating pure vegetarian dishes from a selection of mouth-watering snacks to tasty main meals. Dipian Cakes specialize in eggless vegetarian cakes made to order for weddings, birthdays and special occasions. Sit back and enjoy the ambience and scrumptious food served by our friendly staff at our warm 50-seater refurbished restaurant with disabled access and free car park nearby. Dipali's, 1A, Alfred Road, Sparkhill, Birmingham.
लो दोस्तों ब्रेक तो बाद थोड़ा स्वागत कर दें एक बार फिर जी आया नु कहांगे जी सदके जी वारी जिथे भी प्रोग्राम देख रहे हो भाई केड़े अंदाज से देख रहे हो जे अंदाज देखण दा सोना होएगा ना तो प्रोग्राम थानू खूबसूरत ही लगेगा अगर तुसी हुणे टेलीविजन ऑन कीता इट्स योर फॉल्ट लेकिन जो आज मेरे को कलाकारां पहुंचे हुए ने आई थिंक दे आर वंडरफुल शी इज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल लेकिन अरे क्या करूं उनके गले में आज थोड़ा सा बीमारी है ना सो आई वुड वेलकम शमा जी अगेन वेलकम टू द शो
Thank you.
आवाज भी नहीं निकल रही है ना
Nee.
अरे क्या बात है
Why don't I actually pretend that I'm singing and आप मेरे लिए गा लो?
अब मैं गाऊं
You'll be my playback singer.
Oh, no, I can't be singer. मेरी ऑडियंस को मालूम है कि मैं गाना नहीं गा सकती गवा सकती and I got one and only Chirag singer with me from the UK or from Bombay or from Gujarat
From the UK, born and brought up in the UK.
born and brought up in
Yes.
UK क्या बात है and singing मोहम्मद रफी songs
Yes.
राहत फतेह अली खान अभी मेरे को पता चला है
Yes.
मेरी सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ने बताया कि आप राहत के भी गीत गा सकते हैं
थोड़ा गाता हूँ.
थोड़ा तो थोड़ा ही सुना दो ना
रफी साहब का या?
दो तीन गाने ना मेरे को दो लाइनें
I'll sing another
whatever you
favorite
would
Rafi
like to
Saab
sing
song.
I will leave it to you
This is one of my favorite. Shama knows I say this to all of my Rafi Saab songs. But this is one of my favorite. वो जब याद आए बहुत याद आए वो जब याद आए बहुत याद आए गमे जिंदगी के अंधेरे में हमने चरागे मोहब्बत जलाए बुझाए वो जब याद आए बहुत याद आए
वाव जब आप गा रहे थे ना आपकी शक्ल से ऐसे लग रहे थे आप मेरे को रोआएंगे अभी that's good expressions
Thank
with
you.
the song
Thank
with
you.
the lyrics and you know everything music and all that
Yes.
so I think this is great
Thank you.
you know अभी भी मैं यकीन नहीं कर रही कि आप इधर के born हैं you know
There are actually many singers in the UK. Some of my friends, I've got some good friends that are born
Some
and
good
brought
friends.
up- born- some good friends.
some bad
I've got some really good singer friends and that inspire me as well. So there's actually
They sing Mohammed Rafi songs?
They absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely. And you know.
so when you all sit together my God Mohammed Rafi
It's all about Mohammed Rafi when we sit together. We have Rafi party. No, we don't have Rafi parties, but
Rafi
we
parties.
sing his songs.
no that's good
Yeah,
that's good
yeah.
अच्छा तो और कौन से सिंगर्स गाते हैं
राहत
अभी राहत का मैंने वो पूछ चुकी हूँ आपको कौन से सिंगर्स गाते हो लेकिन राहत का you know because nowadays you know राहत फतेह अली खान
Yes, he's very
he
popular.
actually sings
very popular
very well those songs.
he has got good beautiful voice
I'll sing a couple of lines of the song from Aja Nachle.
yeah
Olipia.
yeah
I'll try.
yeah sure
ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया हाय ओरे पिया उड़ने लगा क्यों मन बावला रे आया कहाँ से ये हौसला रे ओरे पिया पिया ओरे पिया पिया ओरे पिया।
वाह बहुत अच्छे,
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छे, you know। तो स्टेज परफॉर्मेंसेस इकट्ठे करते हैं और अलग अलग करते हैं?
साथ में करते हैं,
साथ में। और तो गाना भी गाते हैं?
गाना भी गाते हैं, डांस भी करते हैं।
कोशिश करते हैं डांस करने की।
अच्छा, तो कौन सी जगह इंग्लैंड में की है परफॉर्मेंसेस, बाहर भी जाते हैं?
नहीं, बाहर भी जाते हैं और यहाँ पे भी करते हैं, लेकिन प्राइवेट शोज और स्टेज शोज करते हैं। अभी हाल ही में हम बाहर भी जाने वाले हैं, अमेरिका जाने वाले हैं शोज करने के लिए। And I'm sure, you know, with our new band, we've got a band called the 515 Crew. They're 5 people, and that is one
That's
of
why the name is like this.
That's it.
Okay.
Actually, the idea was 5 elements, because 5 elements hote
What
hain
are
na?
those?
There's wood, water, air, fire, metal. 5 elements. So 5 elements becomes 1, 1 becomes 5. So that's the 515 crew. और हमारे जो प्रोड्यूसर साहब हैं यहीं पे बैठे हैं सामने।
क्या नाम है इनका?
हिनल पटानी।
हिमल पटानी।
He's actually a musical genius. The guy is, we draw
तो
so
वो
much.
क्यों नहीं इधर बैठे?
हमने बोला वो शाय है।
शाय है, मेरे जैसे है ना?
बिल्कुल। उसे शर्म बहुत
So he's
बहुत
your
आती
producer?
है। Yeah, he's a producer.
And he's an inspiration, isn't he?
Yes, he
Really
is.
an
He
inspiration.
sings as well?
He
He can
sings as
sing,
well.
he can do anything.
He can do anything?
More or less anything.
You know, he shouldn't have been here. I don't know
Should've.
why
Maybe
he's
next
so
time.
shy.
Maybe next time we'll get him on.
Yes.
I did tell him, I said, you know, because I can't sing today, why don't you sing in my place? Why don't you sit in my place?
Well, that's what I thought when I saw him. I said, he's the singer. I didn't know about you.
But he was worried he won't fit in this space, so that's why he thought
Oh, he's not that big.
he's not, but he thinks he is. So.
What about myself?
No,
Don't
you're
compare- No, I am big. अच्छा, तो ऑडियंस कौन सी एज की ऑडियंस टारगेट you?
All
We
groups.
have actually a wide, we've
wide
got
range.
little
All ages.
kids
All
who,
ages,
who
yeah.
come to the shows as well. And we've got 80-year-olds who come as well. So there's no audience, there's no
You cater for
particular
all
range.
ages.
Exactly.
That's great.
Exactly,
That's great.
yeah.
Yeah. तो आप भी लिखते हैं गाने, आपने बोला?
कोशिश करता हूँ। मैंने 2 गाने लिखे अभी तक।
Oh.
Actually, I've written more, but 2 have been produced and made into songs.
Okay.
So the first one that was released is produced by Hinal Patani and the 515 crew. That one was called Churaliya. It was a dance number. And the...
No, Churaliya is the song. Churaliya?
No, this is, it's got the same
Different.
title, but with,
Oh, right.
it's
Okay.
different words completely.
So you have remix or just it's original?
It's an original composition, original
तो
song.
वो सुनाएं फिर, ओरिजिनल सुनाएं एक लाइन।
Okay. जिंदगी का पहला प्यार है इन जज्बातों से अनजान में, क्या तेरा भी ऐसा हाल है? चोरी चोरी क्या हो गया, तेरे प्यार में दीवाना हो गया। चोरी चोरी क्या हो गया, तूने कैसे ये दिल को चुरा लिया, चुरा लिया।
Wow.
तूने दिल को चुरा लिया। It's more of a western kind of feel to
Western
the song,
kind
but yes.
song. That's good.
And-
और आप इनको मिले कैसे? आप एक दूसरे को कैसे मिले?
उसके मामा हमारे बैंड में है, he's part of the 515 crew.
He's a singer?
No, he actually plays bass guitar.
गिटार।
So उसने हमें बताया था कि मेरा भांजा है वो बहुत
गाता है।
अच्छा गाता है, तो आप उसको सुन लीजिए. So Chirag came to one of the shows na,
Yes.
and we heard him then. He sang a couple of songs, and we thought yes, it would be nice to have him with
That's
us.
good.
Yeah, so that
So
was.
आप ऐसे ले लेते हैं अगर कोई
I
आर्टिस्ट?
think if somebody's got an
You think the
exceptional
talent.
yeah.
जब मैं कब आऊँ आपका प्रोग्राम देखने?
आपको मैं ना नहीं बोलूँगी.
नहीं, I mean बाहर लोगों को पता चले कैसे people can be recruit,
Yeah.
अगर किसी की आवाज़ अच्छी है, गा सकते हैं, उनको मालूम नहीं है कहाँ जाएं, कैसे हम किस ग्रुप में जाएं, So I think this is the really good way to
Yeah.
introduce.
Yeah.
I think it's important कि like Chirag has actually learned, so you can tell the difference straight away. जब वो गाता है तो you can tell that उन्हें सीखा है, he has not just stepped out and said, okay, I want to sing, because a lot of people
Lot
say
of
that.
effort gone into it.
A lot of people do approach us saying that मुझे गाना है, लेकिन आप अगर you haven't learned, you've got no idea of how to sing, then it's very difficult for us to take anyone on.
That's right. Yeah.
So
you can't teach
yeah.
them saregama.
no, you can't.
You know,
I mean,
they have to be already
उनके लिए
trained.
तो वो teachers हैं.
हाँ, they have to be trained already
Yeah.
to come in any group.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ये कौन सा गाना आप सुनाने जा रहे हैं लोगों को?
वो
वीडियो
दिल की
में
बातें,
वीडियो दिल की बातें.
दिल की बातें?
दिल की बातें.
दिल ही जाने.
Actually, why don't you tell about Dil Ki Baatein, the composition and
Yeah.
It came about, it was actually written and composed by a very talented singer who I believe you've met, Sonia Panasa. Amazing songwriter, amazing singer. And she was given the groove to the track by our producer, Hinal. And she heard it, and within, I think, half an hour to an hour, she had a full song written. And
Okay.
I heard it, and I just fell in love with it straight away. I consider myself lucky that I was
Love
given...
with Sonia? Or
No, with the song. With
All
the
right.
song.
she's a lovely girl though.
I heard the song
you're
and I
very
was in
easy person to
love
get in
with the
love.
song.
Okay.
So
The song.
The song, yes. And yeah, I consider myself very lucky to be given the opportunity to sing this song. So
Okay.
it's had a good response so far. So, you know.
चलो एक लाइन सुनाओ, फिर हम दिखाएंगे दोस्तों को.
Okay. दिल की बातें, दिल की राहें, क्या है इरादे, दिल धड़कता, दिल तड़पता, तन मन बहलाए, सुन जरा तुम, सुन लो ना तुम, दीवाना कर दिया सनम. तेरे लिए हम, तेरे लिए मेरे लिए तुम, मेरे लिए हाँ हाँ हाँ.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. चलो देखते हैं आपकी तेरे लिए.
And the release date?
Uh, 29th of March, so
29th of March.
imminently, very close now. It's getting close to the date.
अच्छा, कौन कर रहा है रिलीज को?
रिलीज खुद करे 51 ग्रुप, हमारा अपना लेबल है 515.
All right.
So
That's
we're releasing
good.
it self-
That's
self-released.
good. वीडियो भी रिलीज कर रहे हैं और गीत भी ऑन ऑडियो.
yes.
तो who was doing the choreography?
There wasn't so much choreography. It's more of a performance video. So I just had to get up in front of the camera
Audience.
and kind of sing as if I was performing the song, which is difficult to do. It's the first time I've done it, but it was a good experience.
Is it your first video?
It's the first video that's been released. Yes, we've shot another video for the second song as well. Sorry, the third song, which is Mitwa,
All right.
which is another song that I've written, and that one should be released after this one. We've shot the video for that one. So.
All right. शमा जी कौन सी कॉस्ट्यूम वगैरह पहनती हैं जब परफॉर्म करते हैं स्टेज पे?
पंजाबी सूट्स, साड़ीज.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि हम ट्रेडिशनल गाने गा रहे हैं.
I mean, I like your top today. Even,
Thank
you. You are looking really, really
Actually, I was
beautiful.
thinking that about your
Oh my
dress.
God.
I love the color.
अच्छा.
Really nice
Thank
color.
you. Thank you. अच्छा, तो you wear suits, Punjabi
Okay,
suits and saris.
Saris, yeah.
Well, it depends what sort of audience program you are performing, isn't it?
Yeah, most of the time because it's an Indian audience, you know.
Naturally, हिंदी गाने
Of
तो
course,
हिंदी
of course.
लोग ही सुनेंगे. English भी सुनते
No,
हैं.
actually, सुनते हैं.
Rhythm.
Definitely, in fact, they actually like Indian music. Yeah,
Oh,
Bollywood
yeah.
songs, yeah.
तो आप क्या पहनते हैं? Jeans?
नहीं.
He's very smart. He's
Ah.
very smart.
कुर्ता पजामा?
कुर्ता पजामा पहनता हूँ.
Oh, that's nice.
I
You
enjoy
know,
it. So it's,
Yeah. I always say to singers, they should wear according to their songs, according to that culture. You know, jeans डाल के गाना तो ऐसे लगता है जैसे सड़क से पकड़ ले. Come on, sing for us.
लेकिन आजकल के artists करते हैं वो because you have to move with the times as
With
well.
the time,
So
yeah.
if you're doing a stage show, you're doing a mela or anything like that,
That's different.
तो करना पड़ता है. You will see a lot of artists performing in jeans because audience young है.
Melas is okay.
हाँ.
When you are indoor
Yes.
performing somewhere, I think you should have good costume.
Yeah.
Because the presentation,
Yes,
I think on
of
stage,
course, yes.
you're presenting yourself. It's very important.
Yeah, definitely.
है ना?
I agree with that. Yeah.
So you enjoy wearing those sort of costume?
Yeah, definitely. I enjoy obviously getting dressed for the occasion. It's part of the performance. You get yourself in the right mindset if you look the part. So definitely, it's one of the things.
Sherwanis and all that?
Sherwanis, yes. I love sherwanis.
और क्या hobbies हैं? शमा जी?
I like reading. I like watching films. I am very much into psychic stuff, so healing and
Oh, dear.
things like that, spiritual stuff.
That's
So,
good.
Yeah, I think जो भी artist हो, you will see that artist के जो mind होते हैं, वो सभी लोग जैसे नहीं होते.
नहीं होते.
We have a much
Broad.
more open and broad-minded thinking, and our concentration is not just on music. There's a lot of things
What's
which are very
happening around you.
artistic, which are very creative. I think Chirag is probably the same as well.
चिराग आपकी hobbies? Don't tell me the same.
After
और खत्म
music,
कर.
no, it's
Cricket.
cricket.
See, I knew.
Cricket.
Cricket. Play cricket?
I play a little bit. I'm not very good. If I'm
Are you good
honest.
runner?
I'm good at running. I'm actually not
Alright.
bad at running, but cricket.
Actually, I know why he's good at running. Because he must have had a lot of girls chase him. He has to run away.
It's not that.
All right.
I'm just not a very good batsman. I can't see the ball properly, and I always get out. So
All right. So what you are good at cricket then?
I like the sportsmanship of the whole thing. I try to bat
Fielding?
a little bit.
You're good at fielding?
I'm good fielding. I'm relatively fit, so yeah, I'm a good fielder. I can bowl a little bit as well.
All right. Do you go to gym or
Yeah.
what do you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. The whole band knows about that.
Yeah.
He goes to gym a lot.
He diets, he goes to gym.
Oh.
He's the most disciplined out of all of us.
That's why he was saying that he hasn't eaten anything today.
I haven't eaten anything because I've been so busy. So
How can you sing without eating?
it's a problem.
आवाज नहीं निकलने
नहीं
आए.
निकलती, बेसुरा निकलती है.
हाँ, खाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
बिल्कुल. I mean limited, limit,
हाँ, you need energy to sing, obviously.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आखिर में कौन से मोहम्मद रफ़ी के गीत के साथ हम प्रोग्राम फिनिश करने जाएंगे? One of your favorites,
My
जो आपके
favorite, okay.
दिल के करीब हो.
Okay, I'll sing तुम जो मिल गए हो.
Oh, I just love that song.
Okay, I'll try and do it justice. तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया एक भटके हुए राही को कारवां मिल गया तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया कि जहां मिल गया.
Wow, beautiful.
Thank you.
शमा जी, एक छोटी सी लाइन तो लोगों को अपनी आवाज तो
No,
सुना.
what we had promised, didn't we, during the break, that this way I get to come back. And when I
लो
come,
जी, शमा जी ने किया कि मैं दोबारा ना दे एक्सक्यूज है मेरे प्रोग्राम से दोबारा आती. So I would love to have her again. और जल्दी से last message.
The biggest message is please support our cause. We're all about producing good music, the 515 crew, and the most important thing is that we hope you enjoy our music. Download the songs, listen to the music that we're producing, because there's some really good, genuine UK Hindi music that's being produced, And generally in the UK, Hindi music isn't produced as much as Punjabi
much
music.
Punjabi.
So we're really trying to drive that forward. There's a market for it, and just support us.
Shama ji, quick.
He's actually said it for me. Please keep supporting, please keep downloading, and just loving us, really.
I love you. Okay. ਲੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਚਿਰਾਗ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੀਤ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੇ ਚਿਰਾਗ ਨੂੰ ਆਗਿਆ ਦਿਓ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖੇਗਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ
Dipalis for that authentic Indian vegetarian cuisine. Our expert chefs specialize in creating pure vegetarian dishes from a selection of mouth-watering snacks to tasty main meals. Dipian Cakes specialize in eggless vegetarian cakes made to order for weddings, birthdays and special occasions. Sit back and enjoy the ambience and scrumptious food served by our friendly staff at our warm 50-seater refurbished restaurant with disabled access and free car park nearby. Dipalis, 1A, Alfred Road, Sparkhill, Birmingham.